Hello. So I'm standing, as you can see, right below the Eiffel Tower. This has been a dream of mine since I was like 7 or 8 years old. So there's a really very emotional story behind it. I remember when I was 7 years old, like my father used to tell me about Paris. I remember he telling me that Paris is the most beautiful city in the world, and I remember I was 7 years old. Like I don't remember exactly how he told me or what he told me about it, but I remember like my mom telling me afterwards that my father used to talk about Paris being the most beautiful city, the most romantic city, right? So I really want to dedicate this to my father. He passed away when I was just 8 years old. So 1 year after he told me about Paris, when I was 7, it's been what 20, 21, 22 years that I've been dreaming to be here, to be in Paris someday. So I really want to take this moment, this opportunity to, dedicate this to my father who I lost almost 20 plus years ago. I also want to dedicate this to my mom because being a single mother, I do understand how hard it must be for her to raise me. I know we have not been in the best of terms, but I really want to change that now that I've grown, now that I've become an adult. I really want to change that. I want to dedicate this to Rashmi, who has been like a constant rock for the last 9 years. So this is to you, Rashmi. This is to you, mom, and this is to my father who's not here with me to see this moment. I'm really happy and maybe I'm a little bit proud also because I worked so much, worked so hard to be here where I'm standing, and it was just a dream for the last 20 years, and now it finally became true. It has become a reality, and the last 3 days in Paris has been nothing less than magic. It was really magical. It was really beautiful. I really cannot put in words how much I loved Paris, like how much this trip means to me, like how I've come a full circle trying to dedicate this to my father, to my mom, to Rashmi, to my family, right? So yeah, and I'm leaving Paris in the next 1 hour. I have to catch the metro. This is the last, like the final moment that I have with Paris, and I really want to take this time to dedicate this to the people who love me, to the people I've lost, and the people who will stay with me for the rest of my life, and I also want to manifest one thing, that maybe one day I'll bring my mom, I'll bring Rashmi here in Paris because I really loved it and I want to share this opportunity with her. I really want to be a better person. I want to be more healthier, more fitter, more financially stable, do good in career, and maybe one day visit her once again with my loved ones. I really miss my friends also. I really wish Surajit, Faya, Sandy, Priya, if I could have shared this moment with them. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm very blessed and honored to have this opportunity of me visiting Paris, and yeah, so thank you all who always loved me, supported me, and this is just the beginning, I guess. So Paris trip done. Love to my father, to my mom, to Rashmi, to my friends, and yeah, this is it. I have to go back now. Bye.